Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord 2T, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add a widget. For example, I'll go with this one. After that, just tap here to widgets icon, and now we can see here all the available applications with widgets we can add. For example, let's just add the calendar. We can add the new the month view, or just the schedule. Let's add just the schedule, so hold it and drag it here. If you wanna change the size of the widget, just hold it for a while, and after that you can make it bigger or smaller by this way. If you want to move the widget here on the screen, just by the same way, hold it and drag it. Also, we can move the widgets between the screens. And if you want, we can also create the new screens for the widget. And to remove it, just hold it and drag it and tap it here to remove icon. Then click here to remove widgets, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.